इनसे मिलिए, इन्हें सब प्यार से चुटकी बुलाते हैं, क्योंकि दूध के नाम से ये चुटकी में गायब, गॉन।
चुटकी
कौन? आबरा कटाबरा, कहाँ, किधर, वैनिश।
पेश है मदर डेयरी काउ मिल्क, जिसका टेस्ट इसको बनाए बच्चों का फेवरेट और मम्मी का भी। अब चुटकी में चुटकी नहीं, दूध गायब होगा।
We'll start off with milk. What exactly milk is? So this is something which you are consuming from that's the first food you ever consumed in your life, milk. Milk is actually a mammal secretion. It comes from animals, cows and buffaloes. There are goats and sheep also which gives milk, but in India, 97% of the milk which is sold in market comes from cows and buffaloes. Okay, the milk which you consume on a daily basis, it has certain components. You consume it, you might not have a thought what are the constituents of milk. You would be knowing that it consists of minerals and vitamins, but what type of minerals, what type of vitamins are there in milk? That's something which we'll try to find today. So milk has three main components. One is fat, जिसको हम मलाई कहते हैं. Second is SNF. SNF, you kids might not have heard about it. SNF, I'll come to that later on. And the third component is water. So milk has three components: fat, SNF, and water. SNF is solid non-fat. If the full form of SNF is solid non-fat, which consists of carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. So the three main components: fat, SNF, and water. And SNF can be further divided into carbohydrates, proteins, minerals, and vitamins. So around 80 to 90% of milk is actually water, depending upon the variant. Full cream would be having a different fat percentage. Tone would be having a different fat percentage. So different variants would be having different fat percentage. Technically, 80 to 90% of milk is actually water. And the remaining 10 to 15% would be fat, SNF, and the remaining would be water. So now we'll try to understand what exactly is the role of fat. Why fat is necessary? The fat which is there in milk, why is it necessary for us? First and foremost, the importance of fat is it is necessary for growth. It is a must for every human. Humans require certain calorie, and out of that certain calorie, a certain percentage of that has to be through fat. And milk fat is natural, so it is better than any other fat. That's one thing. And certain vitamins are also fat soluble. Some of the vitamins are mixed in fat, like vitamin A, vitamin D. So this is in that way also it is very important. Then the second component was SNF. The first part of SNF is carbohydrate. Carbohydrate is actually lactose. Lactose is actually sweetness. So the sweetness of milk is through the carbohydrate part, and that lactose is further divided into galactose and glucose before digestion. का फ्लेवर मिल्क खरीदोगे, चॉकलेट का फ्लेवर भी आएगा, चॉकलेट का कलर भी आएगा. स्ट्रॉबेरी का आप परचेज करोगे तो स्ट्रॉबेरी का कलर भी आएगा, फ्लेवर भी. वेनिला क्योंकि व्हाइटिश होती है, इसलिए वेनिला का फ्लेवर व्हाइट होता है और फ्लेवर वेनिला.
सर बट हमने जो वहाँ पे पिया था सर उस टाइम टैंकर से, वो तो सर उसमें फ्लेवर्स भी थे बट कलर्स नहीं थे. सर वो वाइट था पूरा.
कलर्स नहीं, हम ऐसा भी कर सकते हैं, बिना फ्लेवर का, बिना कलर का भी फ्लेवर हो सकता है. पर मार्केट में जो सेल होती है तो वो जनरल कलर के साथ ही होती है. हम यहाँ पे क्योंकि यहीं पे कस्टमाइज बनाते हैं तो इसमें कलर ऐड नहीं करते.
ओके सर.
Tejas Gupta, unmute yourself.
Sir, I want to ask.
Yes, carry on, beta.
Sir, yes, Ravika, carry on.
सर मुझे आपसे ये पूछना था कि सर जब आइसक्रीम बनाते हो उसको बनाने का वे और उसके टेस्ट करने का वे अलग होता है.
बनाने का और
टेस्टिंग वे
और टेस्ट करने का वे, जैसे मिल्क का अलग होता है तो.
हाँ, अलग अलग होता है. एक्चुअली टेस्टेड मिल्क ही यूज करते हैं वहाँ पे, तो मिल्क को टेस्ट करने की जरूरत नहीं है. वहाँ पे टेस्ट करना होता है कि फैट, यदि जनरली आइसक्रीम में 12 से 13% फैट होता है, वो चेक करना होता है. शुगर कंटेंट उसमें चेक करना होता है कितना है. शुगर कंटेंट के साथ साथ प्रोटीन्स भी चेक करना होता है। तो वो एक डिफरेंट पैरामीटर होता है चेक करने के लिए। और उसमें भी whenever you purchase a packet, whenever you consume a packet, it will be written on the packet उसमें उस आइसक्रीम में कितना फैट है, कितना उसमें प्रोटीन है, कितना कार्बोहाइड्रेट या शुगर है उसमें मेंशन होता है।
To ask one more thing.
यस यस
सर मैंने आपके बहुत सारे प्रोडक्ट यूज किए हैं। मम्मा भी यही बोलती है कि मदर डेयरी सबसे हेल्दी ब्रांड है। मैंने उसकी बहुत सारी चीजें यूज करी हैं। उसके कुछ नए फ्लेवर्स आएंगे मिल्क में।
मिल्क में आप बताओ कौन सा फ्लेवर आना चाहिए?
सर कोई भी।
आप बताओ ना, कोई एक फ्लेवर बताओ।
नो सर, मुझे मदर डेयरी ब्रांड बहुत पसंद है।
आपको कुछ फ्लेवर चाहिए तो बताओ।
Sir, any flavor.
It cannot be any. It has to be specific.
Yeah, exactly. Ravika, if you want anything special, then you can ask.
No. I want sir कोई भी flavor.
Your Jai Jawan, Jai Kisan, this that you follow is something that something new that I have learned. And I think your tagline for the children, which says that you grow fast, you are the future of the nation, so you grow faster having mother dairy milk. That is also something that I've learned today. Your tagline is really great, and I must say that the children have really enjoyed this. I have enjoyed it so much, so obviously the children have done so. So thank you so much for being here. And it was a great session, no doubt, and a special thanks to you and to my teachers Nirja Gupta and Rupa Bhattacharya for making all this effort for organizing this. And I also know that you've been having some practice sessions with Mr. Pillai these past day or so that we are able to have this today. So thank you so much, Mr. Pillai. I don't think Principal Sir is here. I can't see him, Nirja.
No, ma'am, I don't think so, sir, is there.
Doesn't matter. So
yeah.
It's over to you, Nirja, now.
Okay. So once again, from behalf of all students and teachers, I thank you, sir, for your valuable time and enriching us for this excellent session. Thank you so much, sir. So
thanks a lot. Take care. Stay safe.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you so much.
Hope you children